Today I explain about amazing assignment day 14 key. Topic is interdependence of plants and animals. So first of all, what is interdependence? Interdependence means nothing but dependence of two or more things on each other. We know we all are living things. We can depend on plants and animals for food. See first Roman. First Roman is fill in the blanks. See first question. All living beings need dash to live and dash. First of all living beings they can need. We all are living things. Yes, we can live on the earth. What do we want first of all? We want some food. We can live on the earth. We want some food and water. And we can do any work. What do we want? We want some energy. For example, we can run, we can walk from one place to another place. Or we can want some energy. How do we get energy? We get energy from the food only. So, all living beings need dash to live energy. Need energy to live and work. Yes or no? We can do some work. What do we want? We want first of all energy. Energy comes from the food only. Go to second one. Green plants trap dash from the dash during photosynthesis to make food. Here green plants trap dash from the dash. So plants can prepare their food by their own. How can they prepare? Why? Because plants are in green color. So it is green color means here chlorophyll is present. Chlorophyll is nothing but a pigment. So according to chlorophyll, green plants can prepare their own food. But how can they prepare their own food? Green plants trap the energy. Green plants trap the energy. ENERGY. Green plants trap energy from the dash during the photosynthesis. Look here, photosynthesis. You know all members photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is nothing but energy can absorb plants can absorb the energy from sunlight. So energy from the sunlight. Sunlight during the photosynthesis to make the food. Go to third one. Energy flows from the dash to dash and then to plants and animals and humans. So energy flows from one living thing to another living thing. How can it possible? Last, animals and humans. Animals and humans before they can flow. Energy flows from the sun. Flows from the sun. We all are means living things. Animals and humans, we depend on the plants for food. Plants, how do they get energy? They get energy from the sun. Okay. Energy flows from the sun to plants. Sun to plants and then to animals and humans. Second problem is observe the above picture and answer the following questions. Here picture is given. Once you observe this one, it is one of the life cycle. First one is plants, animals, environment. It is life cycle. So plants, animals can be depend on plants for food and food and air. So plants gives us fresh air. That means which air they can release? They can release us oxygen. Plants can be releases oxygen. Animals and living things and human beings, we all breathe the oxygen. So we get oxygen from the plants. So plants gives us oxygen and food. Oxygen and food plants gives. What about the animals? Animals can releases carbon dioxide. Animals are human beings. We are releases carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide releases, it will be mixed in environment. So plants, how do they get energy? They get energy from the sunlight only and they absorb the carbon dioxide gas. They absorb the carbon dioxide gas. So based on this picture, here two blanks is given. Once look here. Plants give dash and dash to plants. First of all, plants gives us to oxygen. Plants gives us to oxygen. What is oxygen spelling? OXYGEN. Oxygen and food. In this picture, plants gives oxygen and food to animals. See second one. Animals give dash to plants. What animals can give? Animals can release the carbon dioxide gas. Is the spelling carbon dioxide? CARBONDIO. Carbon dioxide to plants. So this is the life cycle of plants and animals between environment. So plants give oxygen and food to animals. Animals can release as the carbon dioxide to plants. What is carbon spelling? CARBONDIOXIDE. Thank you to one and all. Today's home task is practice amazing assignment 14 sheet. Thank you.